into my eyes and never let it go.
Hello everyone, so today I and my dad and Issa will be going out searching for March. We will be just going down our streets close to any house as possible. We're going to keep looking because we love him. We really want him back. So we're going to keep looking and hopefully we spot him. And we will be going on our bikes. So yeah.
So we're gonna go around the neighborhood and put more posters in case someone has seen him.
Okay, so this is the first poster that we have been putting up. And we just saw that there's actually another poster for another dog that has been missing, which I have been seeing a lot of posters of dogs being lost. So now I'm starting to freak out because it's scared me that more and more dogs are being lost. So let's go do some more posters. We were looking for March and we saw this nursery and we wanted to go in because in our backyard we have a lot of green, and since this is a nursery we wanted to go inside because since there's a fence, there's a lot of places where March could go in. That's why we are here to see if March is here, and we are going to be asking anyone here if they have seen him and if they have any information about him. So let's go. Let's go!
You okay? Come on. You okay? Let me see. Does it hurt? Let me see. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, alright. You're good. You alright? Does it hurt?
Oh yeah. I'm right here.
Come on, you got this, okay? Okay, just walk, okay? Just walk. Cause there's a lot of little rocks. That's why you can ride.
Right? I was moving like that because the rocks would make me like watch. If I keep going, it does that.
Yeah.
I don't see anyone. Maybe
Oh, there's somebody over there. Let's go ask.
Maybe in another one we will ride it.
Yeah.
We have a dog. Have you seen this dog? No?
No?
Okay.
Okay. Oh. What kind of dog is it?
Pomeranian.
Yeah, Pomeranian.
Pomeranian.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm so... No, I can see that.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
All right, let me help you. Okay, go. Okay, run. Wait, Sue. Wait for us. No, you don't. There's a hole over there. Let's go check. Yeah.
Because March always going home. She loves him. No. Two things. There's lots of spiders, spider webs, and he would have fit in there. Tiny. Oh God. Ew, there's so many spiders. Gross.
Alright, let's go.
Okay guys, so remember how I told you guys that March loved green? Well, there's this huge park that's about to open in maybe 2 days. So we wanted to go in because March loves green, but there's construction.
So we're gonna go ask the workers if they have seen him. You know, hopefully they have. We don't know. So come on, let's go. Hey guys. Hi.
How you doing, man?
We just lost a dog. This one, and we were wondering if you guys have seen him. By chance? No? Yeah, he has a line haircut.
No, we haven't.
No?
I don't hear.
Alright.
Sorry about that.
Thank you guys.
Look, a hole. Do you think March could have fit through there? Yes, March can fit.
You see?
Same
Oh
size.
yeah.
Yeah. Let's go look. Much bigger. Not that much. No hole. Can't fit them. So maybe there's a possibility that March could have gone through because there's a lot of green here. And maybe he could have gone to that house because there's a lot of green surrounding it.
Is it good?
Guys, if you know anything or just if you have any information about him, the link will be down below. You'll know everything about him. His height, how old he is, everything. And if you find him, make sure to email us. I'm in the description, just please.
Here, we're gonna find him, okay? Hold it. We're gonna find him.
What's wrong? What? What's wrong?